In this video, I will tell you all about the Biswap V3 update and how you can earn from it. Let's start with the basics, which every website visitor uses: the exchange page itself. The exchange system become more profitable, not only due to lower fees in the new protocol, but also because of an updated router, which takes liquidity from both the second and the third versions of the protocol, combines liquidity, separates swaps with multi-hops, and does everything to ensure that your trade, regardless of its volume size, goes through with minimal slippage and minimal fees. To see how the new Biswap smart router works and which liquidity pairs it uses for your trade, simply scroll down on the swap section and expand the outer router tab. Limit orders have also been added, fully integrated on-chain into the Biswap V3 protocol. With limit orders you can easily buy large amounts with zero losses and even without exchange fees. So how does it work? In the limit section you can place both buy and sell orders. For example, if you place a buy order, in the top input field you enter how much of the token you want to buy, or in the bottom input you enter how many tokens you want to sell in exchange for the token in the top input. Then you enter the desired price for the token you want to buy, and everything is automatically calculated based on the selected order price. Then you click the buy button and it will show you all the information about your order before confirming it. The order will be executed when the market price is slightly below the price you set for buying, and when selling using limit orders, your order will be closed when the price is a few points higher than the price you set for selling. This order execution is designed to cover all fees, so you essentially won't give a commission to the exchange. It will take it automatically from a price difference in the market. Now let's move on to the core of this update: the change in liquidity farming, one of the main ways to earn on Biswap. The entire liquidity system has changed. Now when you create a liquidity position, you will automatically receive rewards in BSW token. You don't need to stake this LP position anywhere, as you did before in V2 protocol. Adding and farming liquidity works as follows: go to the earn section, choose farming, and among all the available pools for farming, select where you want to add liquidity. For example, let's take the BSW BNB pair. Open this pair and click on add liquidity. Now you just need to choose the amount of tokens you want to add and the price range in which you will place these tokens. The amount you earn from your liquidity, no matter if it's BSW rewards or just fees, it always directly depends on the price range you choose. On the chart, the gray range is where most tokens are currently added from other users, and usually the peak of this gray range matches with the current token price, and in this peak rewards their maximum, since trading is currently happening at this price point. In short, the closer your chosen range is to the current token price, the more you will earn, as your tokens will be used directly in trading, and you will directly earn a commission from traders. Your strategy for setting the range can vary widely, and you can use this tool in different ways. But here are some basic tips from me. For stablecoins, plus or minus 1% will be optimal. For regular pairs with Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus or minus 10 or 25% should be enough. For riskier altcoins like BSW and BNB, you can even set a range of plus or minus 15% because of the volatility of such tokens is high. And with these settings, if one of the tokens suddenly rises by 13%, your position won't close. Once you have created a position, you can view all the information about it in the liquidity tab. Your positions will appear under the add liquidity button. Click on your position and you'll see how many and which tokens you have added, how much you have earned from fees, and how many BSW tokens you have earned from your position. Also, you can claim all these rewards instantly. To ensure your position continues to generate income, make sure it doesn't exit the price range you set earlier. If your range is plus or minus plus 10% and the token increases by 11%, your position will be closed, in other words, out of range, and the tokens will be converted into the second token in the pair. To avoid this, either set a wider range or create a new position with a more relevant price range when your position is close to exiting the current range. Also, when you withdraw your liquidity, the fees you have earned from trades will automatically be withdrawn along with your liquidity. So to save on fees while withdrawing liquidity, you don't need to do it manually, only BSW rewards need to be claimed separately. Basically, we have covered all the main functionality and changes in Biswap V3. With concentrated liquidity, you can come up with countless ways to earn by adjusting your price range, or choosing less known pairs, or trying to front-run pools that not yet added to the front end of the website. But that's a topic for a separate video and post on my Telegram channel, link down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, do hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video on the CryptoSpoon channel. Bye bye.